Guys, check this shit out of my compost pile. I've got some squash growing. There's the compost pile. You can see all these squash leaves growing out of it. I have no idea what these darker ones are here, but these lighter ones down here, check this shit out. Look at this little guy. Look at him. And then there's another couple right here growing. Look at these fuckers. I think they're kabocha squashes or acorn squashes. I'm not quite sure. This one might be a kabocha squash. I do not know. But these are just growing rogue out of my compost pile here where I just throw my food scraps. So we got some free food growing.